Hi guys, Dagim here. Today I'm going to show you how you can add YouTube hashtags. So first you are going to go to your account icon. Then after you go to your account icon, there is a choice which says YouTube Studio. I'm going to open it in a new tab. Then there is there is videos. After that you can select any video which you want to add a YouTube hashtag. You might know hashtag in Instagram, they are very famous. Also in YouTube you can add hashtags. So I want to add a hashtag to this particular video, which is 52 learn Java with Dagmar Abate. So I'm gonna hit details, the pencil icon. Then at the bottom you gotta make sure that the location of the video to be removed, because if you don't remove the location of the video, let me show you what will happen. The location of the video will appear at the top of the title of your video. We don't want that. We want to add hashtags at the top of the title of your video. So to remove this, I'm going to remove this first. I'm gonna cut it. Then I'm gonna add hashtags to this video. How you add a hashtag in YouTube videos is in the description. So I'm gonna say hashtag Java, hashtag programming, and hashtag programming, and the last one hashtag Ethiopia, and let me reduce 1M. Then if I save this, then there will be a hashtag added, and you gotta note that hashtags are allowed only non-special characters, letters, and underscore and digits. You can't use special characters. And the other thing is the maximum amount of hashtags which will be visible to any viewer of yours is 3. If you add 4 hashtags, only 3 of them will appear, but you can add 30 hashtags in one video. So when after you save it and you hit refresh, if you refresh it, you can see that there will be hashtags on your titles, in the above of your title, Java, programming, and Ethiopia. And for example, if I add another hashtag like Bahir underscore Dar, and save it, it won't appear in this video as a hashtag, because the maximum visible hashtags number is only 3. This is how you add a hashtag on YouTube. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, and after you subscribe, please hit the bell icon so that YouTube can notify you when I upload new videos. And don't please, if you like this video, share and like it. Till next time, bye.